Up till now, we've been using the Unreal Engine's default color space, which is linear sRGB to, build up the scene. But linear sRGB is not the industry standard color space. The industry standard color space is ACEScg. Okay, so now we're going to have to convert this linear sRGB color space into ACEScg. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into setting and we're going to bring in color output. I'm going to open up this drop down menu and I'm going to open up this one as well. Let's open up the color configuration and I'm going to check this box to enable OCIO configuration. And in here, we need to open up our configuration source file. For that, I'm going to go into the content browser and let's go into the folder of content. I'm going to create a new folder in here. I'm going to call this as, let me scroll down. I'm going to call this thing as OCIO _ config. I'm going to open up this folder and I'm going to open up this get content menu. I'm going to go into miscellaneous and I'm going to scroll down to this option, open color IO configuration. Let's add this thing to the content browser. I'm going to keep the default naming convention and let's open up this thing. Now in here, you can see that we have this new window. I'm going to reset this so that I can show you how we're going to upload the configuration file from scratch. Now, in order to upload the configuration file, first we're going to have to download it from internet. And we can download this configuration file from GitHub. I'm just going to scroll down and click here to download this zip file. I'm going to extract this file and I'm going to open up this folder. I'm going to go into ACES 1.2 and this is the file that we need to upload inside Unreal. I'm going to open up Unreal Engine and I'm going to click on these three dots. Let's move to the folder where we have saved the configuration file. I'm going to select this file and click on Open. And now we're going to click on this Add button to add the color spaces. I'm going to click on this drop-down menu and I'm going to go into Utility and I'm going to select the linear sRGB from here, the color space that I want to convert from. And then I'm going to click on this Add button once again. And now I'm going to go into ACES and select this one, ACEScg, the color space that I want to convert to. Okay, I'm going to now save this file. I'm going to close this window and now we're going to upload this OpenCIO file in here. I'm going to click on this arrow to select the source color space. And then I'm going to click on this arrow to select the color space in which I want my output to be. And that is pretty much it. Now you can click on accept and start your render, but I'll highly recommend you to save these render settings so that you don't have to adjust them again and again. I'm going to go in here and click on save preset. You can also create a new folder in here for these presets. I'm just going to rename this folder as render settings. Render _ settings. I'm going to open up this folder and let's rename this preset. I'm going to simply rename this preset as Lumen. I'm going to click on save. And now you no longer need to, adjust all these settings each time you want to render your shot. You can just upload that preset from here and then click on accept and start your render. It will open up this new window. And now as you can see that Unreal Engine is rendering your shot. So this is how you can render your shot by using Lumen Global Illumination. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can render your shot by using path tracing.